We are Beanie, and this is our sign to summer with... Ako naman, naniniwala kasi ako, there's no perfect timing. You just have to do it. Pag may gusto kayong gawin, go. Just like this summer. Di ba pag summer?
It is time! And we are ready for our Nation's Girl Group! Let's give it up for Beanie! Parang sobrang fresh nyo pa rin with pen shop clothes. Kasi parang sobrang light lang niya, hindi siya mabigat.
Actually, yun yung... Before anything else, let us introduce ourselves to the... Hello po, ako po si Joanna. Hi everyone, I'm Aya. Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. Hi everyone, I'm Sheena. Hi po, I'm Colette. And we are... Sabihin ko sana yung pangalan tatlo. Hi, I'm Mika. Hi, I'm Maloy. Yes. And pinapasabi nga po pala ni Mika, Stacy, and Ate Maloy na thank you po sa pagpunta. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, once again, Blooms, let's give it up for our Nation's Girl Group, Beanie! Released Unang Kilig a few days ago, so how does it feel that everyone here you are going to, or everyone loves? And Joanna, syempre for you, Master Joe, I have to know, is there really a perfect time to do the things that you want? Kapag your new era.
Well, first of all, I think it's not, if other people would agree, but for me, it's not like a new era. It's like a throwback kasi ang dami ko nakakita feedback din na parang it's like cousins to the yeah, but it's nice to see the reception they have for Unang Kilig, and we hope that continuous love and support, not just with our songs, but to each and every one of us dito. Thank you, continuous love and support, not just with our songs, but to each and every one of us dito. Thank you so much.
I think we are all loving itong bagong era talaga ng Beanie. And also, gusto ko malaman, Sheena, as our dancing machine, yes, as our dancing queen, ano ang masasabi mo sa choreograph ng Unang Kilig?
If you describe ko Unang Kilig yung choreo niya, I would describe it as carefree. Parang pag sinasayaw mo siya, you're just having fun, hindi mo masyadong iniisip yung choreo. Yes.
And speaking of Unang Kilig, feel ko gusto makita ng Blooms yung Unang Kilig live na lang. Kaya naman, Blooms, are we ready for Unang? Alam po natin na meron bagong collection ang Pen Shop. Could you help me in explaining ano ba? Kailan ba ma-release tong bagong collection natin?
Eto na nga, Blooms, ang dami niyong dapat abangan for Beanie, and lalo-lalo na dyan, ang bagong collection ng Pen Shop na i-release namin March 27. Meron kaming i-release na campaign video! Actually, may mga nakikita na kaming mga videos from our shoot. So, ayun, alam ko excited yung Blooms dito kasi na-feel na nila na meron